Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos and sharing them. And if you really like the videos, please do subscribe. So today I just wanted to show you a very quick recipe how to make a berry smoothie. It is something that I like to have for breakfast because right now I have to go to work and I have to start get ready. And it's early in the morning and I don't really feel like eating anything at all, especially if I have to cook myself and then eat, then food is normal for me. So the easiest breakfast recipe that I find is smoothie. For that, we just want to take some frozen berries. I have some blackberries with me. They're frozen overnight, so we just add them. It gives a really good consistency to the smoothie. And berries are full of antioxidants, so that's a really good start for the day and totally sets me in the mood. So many times when we wake up so early, especially the students, we don't feel like cooking and we tend to skip breakfast, and then what happens is that you go outside, you eat something that you should not eat, and that's the whole vicious cycle that I want to prevent. Just add these smoothies. I'm using some almond milk today, vanilla almond milk, and I'm gonna add a scoop of Nutrilite plant protein. One thing I really like about it is that it's pretty bland in taste. So the good thing is that it doesn't, change the flavor of my smoothies or anything like that. And I don't have to think twice before adding that. And then you just wanna blend it. So this is ready, and I'll show you the texture of what I'm talking about. So as you can see, smoothies are very thick and they are very filling as well. I hope you can see. They are pretty thick and they are very filling. So that's the kind of breakfast I like to have. Quick, nice and easy, healthy, full of antioxidants, plant protein to a teaspoonful for a long time, and it took me just about 3 minutes to make it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please share the video if you like it. Do make yourself healthy breakfast options and try to skip all the drive-thrus. And I hope you have a good day. And please subscribe if you really like the video.